Top extensions to change user agent strings on Chrome and Firefox in 2025. Changing your user agent string makes websites think you're using a different browser, device, or operating system. It's helpful for testing, privacy, and emulation. Why change user agent? Test website display across devices. Bypass region locks. Spoof your identity for better privacy. Simulate mobile or legacy browsers. With the right extension, changing your user agent is simple, no coding required. Here are the top-rated extensions for Chrome. And these are the best picks for Firefox users. Browser extensions aren't enough. GPM Login offers deep, persistent spoofing, perfect for professionals. Why choose GPM Login? One-time payment, no monthly fees. Unlimited profiles. Built-in user agent control. Chromium plus Firefox engine. Stable, clean interface. If you run multiple accounts, rotate IPs, or scale ad campaigns, GPM is built for you. Yes, good extensions spoof headers and scripts. But for serious protection, you need isolation. Only GPM offers that. And yes, switching user agents is legal. Download GPM Login now and start your 7-day free trial.